Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
differences between T4 and T3. Okay, T4. So differences between T4 and T3. T4 is actually the extra thyroid pool of 3-4 of T4. Extra thyroid pool of T4 is around 10 liters. Extra thyroid pool of T3 is around 40 liters. Daily production. Daily production of T4 is around 75 micrograms. Daily production of T3 is around 54 micrograms. Then fractional turnover of T4 is 10%. Fractional turnover of T3 is 60%. Then metabolic clearance of T4 is 1.1 liters, whereas metabolic clearance of T3 is 24 liters. Then half-life. Half-life of T4 is around 7 days. Half-life of T3 is around 1 day. Then biological potency. Biological potency of T4 is 1 and T3 is 4. Then serum totals or serum values. Serum levels of total T4 is around 4.8 to 10.4 micrograms per deciliter, whereas serum levels of T3 is 60 to 180 nanogram per deciliter. Then serum levels which are free levels. Free T4. Free T4 is present as 0.8 to 2.7 nanogram per deciliter is free T4, whereas free T3 is 230 to 430 picogram per deciliter is free T3. Protein bound. T4 is almost 99.96% protein bound, whereas T3 is 99.6% protein bound. Oral absorption. Oral absorption is around 80% is T4, whereas oral absorption of T3 is almost 95%.
thank you and thank you for watching.